Hello everyone, thanks for joining me in the Allan Block workshop while I navigate you through the panel selection screens within our AB Walls design software. In this video, I will be showing you how to properly set up the panels and cross sections for your retaining wall design to ensure you accurately model site conditions. Our AB Walls design software aids you in this process through its built-in conservative approach, but understanding this process is essential. So let me share my screen with you to show you how to do this. On this screen, you will see the wall in profile view. Our goal is to break the wall down into a series of panels. Those panels will be carried over to future screens for the designer to do multiple cross sections. As a reference, you see a series of green vertical lines which represent the GeoGrid roll width. The default roll width is listed at the bottom of the screen and should show 6 feet, the standard for most grid manufacturers. You can change the grid roll width in that box and click Find Locations to space the vertical lines out at different increments. There is also some red lines shown. These represent cross-section cuts in the wall based on the number in the panel location by steps box. So, the first panel will be from the start of the wall to that first red line. These are great places to put your section cuts, the red lines, as it's often where there is a grade change along the wall. The blue line represents the station plan view. Additionally, you want to look at the grade changes of the block and place a panel break, a red line, every 3 to 4 step downs or step ups in the top and bottom of the wall. As mentioned, the software will provide an initial number in the panel location by steps box, but often you will want to change that to better fit those station points and specific details in your wall design. For example, when selecting panel breaks, you should also consider what surcharges are above that length of panel. You can create a panel for these above wall conditions by selecting the appropriate lines and making them red. You know where you are on the wall length with the X reference on the lower left side of the screen. By scrolling to the right, we see the panel selections for the rest of the wall. Once we finish selecting our locations, we can then click the Finish Finding Panels button to see the panels on the following screen. Why the panel selection screen is so important is because it gives the user a visual of the entire wall project. By highlighting certain sections in blue to indicate station points and red for cuts in your wall, it helps you properly line up your cross sections based on the site conditions and geometry of the wall that are impacting your existing site and need to be accounted for. This process enhances overall wall safety and durability and ensures that our calculations of the cross sections will be an accurate reflection of the site. For additional videos using AB Walls, visit us at allanblock.com. Always better, always Allan Block.